Good afternoon, folks. Mike Wells, your World Explorer. Hope you're having a great day. Today is August the 12th, 2022, and we're looking at the Thai Dwarf Mulberry cuttings. They are establishing well into these pots. They're doing really well. I gave one away to a friend, so you only see 4 in this video. But I'm going to pick 4 different locations throughout the yard that provide different conditions for growing, because I want to see where they do best. So we'll get started. Okay, so the location that I chose for one of these Thai Dwarf Mulberry trees is going to be right here. I want to see how well it does in a full sun location. It's going to get lots of sun, so it should do good, but you never know. Let's check the other spots. Here's another one in a different location next to the other mulberries. That's just a regular mulberry there. There's your Thai Dwarf Mulberry next to the apple trees that are very slow to grow. Kind of like a half of the day type of sunlight situation. So that'll be this one. Now we have the third one. It's going to get pretty much an end of the day type of sunlight situation with dappled sunlight throughout the day. Here's the fourth one. It's going to get mostly dappled sunlight with the exception of that big patch throughout the day. But as the winter comes on, it'll be mostly dappled because the sun will come through the trees. So this will be a pretty well shaded spot for this one. Okay, so first obviously I'm going to have to dig a hole, but I'm going to dig a lot larger hole than I need because I want to fill it with some of these leaves and detritus from a big composting pit that I have on the other side of the property, in hopes that the roots will reach for the nutrients, and then also it'll retain water a lot better. Okay, so here's the hole. I actually have a lot more material in there than I thought, so I'm not even going to transfer any over here. I have plenty here, so I'm just going to go ahead and plant it. And that one's down and in the ground. Now it's time to get the other 3. Okay, here's number 2. There's the size of the hole. It's kind of deep. It's about 12 inches deep, maybe 14. Filling it with the leaves and detritus, the compost. And I'm going to set this on top of that and then fill around it, and then maybe put a little bit of sand over top to help fill in the voids when I water. Alright, there's the finished product. I'm going to do this to 2 other locations. Location 3 down, 4th to go. Location 4 coming. Alright, here's location number 4 right next to the house. And you see I keep the location a little bit deeper. I keep it like a crater, so that way the water collects right there where the plant needs it. Folks, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe as it helps the channel grow. And stay tuned as I'll keep you updated on the progress of these Thai Dwarf Mulberries. Have a great day.